Hello everybody. This video is going to be very helpful if you own a motorcycle with DCT. Did you know that you can actually reset the dual clutch transmission technology? Yes. And why would you want to reset it, you may ask? Well, maybe you want to smooth out some low speed jerkiness. There's times when I come up to a stop and it's not shifting down into first gear quite as soon as I want it to. And yeah, I can use the paddle shifter, and I do, and that smooths it out, but this just makes it that much better. Maybe you want to iron out some glitches. Maybe you're stuck in neutral. Maybe you just want to change your shift points. The DCT has a learning mode, and this reset will reset that learning mode. Well, what is the learning mode, you might ask? The DCT technology has learning capabilities that will respond by modifying the shift points based on your riding style, your behavior. That's a mouthful. Let me say that again. The DCT technology will respond by modifying the shift points based on your riding style. So it's very attuned to your behavior on the bike and will learn that. One of the reasons that you might want to reset it is because maybe you bought a used motorcycle with DCT and you want it to learn your style and not the previous owners. This is like rebooting your PC. It just smooths things out, makes it butter smooth that much better. It's really a good thing, and I've done it once before and it helped quite a bit. I noticed a nice smooth transition. I was kind of concerned that it would make me reprogram the date and the time and my startup phrase. And the shutdown phrase. But it didn't. I think that's more of a battery issue. So we're working with the third generation DCT technology here, and this is the 2016 Honda NC700x. I will put the steps in the description. If it's for pre-2016 models, it's slightly different in the steps that you do, but I'm going to switch to the garage. I'm going to show you what it's all about.
Start it up and allow it to idle until the D and S go out. And you notice there's also an L in the display where you normally have your gear. We're going to go over the DCT Reset, and we're using this little instructions that we got off the internet. The one step that they skipped that we learned the hard way is that you have to have it warmed up first. So when it isn't warmed up and you go through the whole procedure, at the end your DNS lights won't go out and you'll have an L in your gear display, meaning low temperature. So right now the bike has already been warmed up for about 15 minutes, and we're going to start by step 1 on this set of instructions, which should actually be step 2, is to start the engine and select neutral. And then stop the engine, just to make sure it's in neutral. Now, on 2016 and later, you have to hold the throttle wide open. On 2015 and earlier, you do not have to hold the throttle wide open. So I'm holding the throttle wide open. You press D and turn the key on. Once the yellow engine indicator goes out, you release D, and you go D, D, N, D, N, and the DNS lights come on your dash, and it flashes a dash symbol in there. So at this point, let go of the throttle, or else you're going to start it with full throttle. And you start the engine and let it idle. After a few seconds, the DNS light should go out, meaning that it was successful. Now it's at this point, if the temperature was too low, there'd be an L in your gear display, the DNS lights would stay on, and nothing would make it go away until you warm up the engine. And there you go, once they go out, it's successful.
Woohoo! Thank you.
What a ride.
Now I'm going to go for a ride and check it out, see what it feels like. Thank you very much. Alright, so we just got done doing the DCT Reset procedure. I wanted to get back on the bike and just check to make sure everything was cool. And it just feels so much smoother. Okay, so we're coming to a stop, and that was very smooth. Yeah, that was a lot smoother coming to a stop like that. Remember I told you earlier that coming to a stop, sometimes it can not shift down very smoothly. There's always ways around it too, you know. I always have this paddle shifter here. Alright, it's just so much smoother. That's a wonderful procedure to do if you haven't done it on your DCT. Alright, took off very smoothly. Like I said, it makes things that much smoother. Very nice, very nice. Just very, very smooth. Butter smooth. That's wonderful. It is so worth it to do this procedure. It's like a whole different bike. Right on top of the sensor. Come on. Don't make me go through the red here. But I'll do it. This is so awesome. When it just works like it's supposed to. Very, very nice. Very smooth. Alright folks, that's it for now. I hope you were able to follow the steps in this DCT reset procedure. And I hope that it helps somebody who has a similar bike. Thanks for watching. Everybody take care. Ride safe. Oh, so smooth. Smooth as silk. Yeah. So smooth. So nice. I love it.